Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to level up fast in Bingo Blitz app. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Bingo Blitz app. After you are inside the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new one first. So in order to level up faster in Bingo Blitz, make sure to collect your daily bonuses every single day. Bingo Blitz rewards you with free credits, spins, and power-ups just for logging in. So even if you don't have time to play, grab these bonuses to level up faster. You need to complete your daily quest. These can give you extra rewards, including experience points that directly help you to level up. And another tip is, you need to play in higher level bingo rooms. These rooms give you bigger experience points rewards for each game you complete. And also, join a team or invite your friends to play. Playing with others not only makes the game more fun, but teams often have more bonuses that help you earn more experience points faster. And in addition to that, your friends can send you gifts and cards, which will eventually earn you more experience points. So that's it. Those are some tips to help you level up faster on Bingo Blitz app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.